USCIS officers are kind of going through hell right now. So don't assume anyone has looked at any of your evidence before you actually get to the interview. Bring everything from scratch. The immigration officer might ask you guys questions like, how long have you known each other? Even though you already submitted like a detailed timeline of your photographs going back 5 years, don't assume they've looked at anything. So if you do bring these cards to your interview, you should also bring updated cards. So original, if there's any updates, bring those updates, and a photocopy of the originals in case the immigration officer just wants to take the photocopies. It's quite common at the beginning of an interview for the officer to just ask, do you guys have any updated evidence of your marriage that you want to submit? And then they'll take all that stuff and go scan it in and then come back to the interview to begin conducting the actual interview with you guys. A big change I've seen recently, and I think this was implemented by the Trump administration to really slow down the interviews, to limit the number of green cards that can get approved by a single immigration officer in a single day. At least that's my theory. The change is that there are bifurcated interviews, at least for the 2 that I've recently attended. So the immigration officer will start the interview by saying like, this is the I-130 portion of the interview where I determine whether the marriage is in good faith, and then they'll begin asking questions.